In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check the security of your Grammarly account so you can review active sessions, spot unfamiliar devices, and make sure your account is protected. This is a simple but really important routine if you use Grammarly often, especially on multiple devices or shared computers. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Grammarly dashboard. Once you're inside your account, look over to the left-hand navigation sidebar and click on Account. From there, click Settings, and then select the Security tab from the secondary menu. This is where Grammarly keeps the tools you need to review account safety and monitor access. Now that you're on the Security Overview page, the first thing you want to do is check the Your Devices section. Scroll down until you see it, and take a careful look at every device listed there. Grammarly usually shows useful details like the location, the operating system, the browser brand, and the date of last access. These details help you confirm whether each session belongs to you. If everything looks familiar, that's a great sign. But if you notice a phone, tablet, laptop, or browser that you don't recognize, don't ignore it. Click the three dots next to that entry and select Sign Out. This will immediately terminate that connection and remove access from that device session. It's one of the fastest ways to protect your account if something seems off. Next, move to the Recent Activity log in the same security panel. This section gives you a history of recent account actions, which is extremely helpful for spotting anything unusual. Look at the timestamps for login attempts, account setting changes, or credential modifications. If you see activity you didn't perform, treat it seriously and take action right away. A good security check is not just about signing out of strange devices, it's also about noticing patterns. For example, if you see repeated logins from locations you've never been to, or changes made at times you were offline, that could be a warning sign. In that case, review your password, make sure it's strong and unique, and consider updating it immediately. It's also a smart idea to make security checks part of your regular routine. Even if nothing looks suspicious today, checking your devices and activity logs every so often can help you catch problems early. That small habit can save you a lot of trouble later. So, to recap, you open Grammarly, go to Account, then Settings, then the Security tab. After that, review your connected devices in the Your Devices section. Sign out of anything unfamiliar, and then check the recent activity log for anything unexpected. That's the easiest way to verify your Grammarly account security and keep control of your login sessions. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.